If you're wondering how to back up your hosting a website, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and practical way. Whether you want to protect your website before making changes, save a copy for safety, or make sure you can restore everything if something goes wrong, creating a backup is one of the smartest things you can do as a website owner. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, you'll want to head over to the website section, then open your dashboard. This is where Hostinger keeps the main controls for your website, including files, domains, and backup options. If you have more than one site, make sure you choose the correct website before continuing, so you don't accidentally work on the wrong project. After you're in the correct dashboard, look for the File section and click on Backups. This is the area where Hostinger manages backup features for your hosting plan. Depending on your plan, you may see manual backup options, automatic backups, or both. If you see a Create Backup button, that means you can generate a fresh backup right away. If the option is not available, don't worry, because some Hostinger plans already include automatic backups that are running in the background. Now, if the Create Backup option is available, go ahead and click it. Hostinger will begin preparing a backup of your website data. This usually includes your files, and in many cases, it may also include your database depending on the hosting setup and backup type available on your plan. It's always a good idea to wait until the process completes before making any major changes to your website. That way, you know you have a safe restore point ready if you need it later. If your plan uses automatic backups, check the backup history or available restore points inside the backup section. This helps you confirm that your site is being protected regularly. Automatic backups are especially useful because they run without you having to remember to do them manually. Still, it's a good habit to check them occasionally, especially before updating plugins, changing themes, moving files, or making edits to your site. Once your backup is created or confirmed, you've completed the most important part. At this point, you now have a safety copy of your Hostinger website, which can save you a lot of stress in the future. If anything ever breaks, gets deleted, or needs to be rolled back, you'll be glad you took this step. That's the full process for backing up Hostinger. It only takes a few minutes, but it can protect hours of work. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful hosting tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.